What's up everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to import your Figma designs to WordPress. Figma is a great platform that allows you to design a user interface and user experience designs for your websites. So you can create an engaging interface for your website on your desktop or mobile phone version, and it gives you many tools to help you and your team to focus on creating projects and tasks like wireframing, prototyping, and designing. Figma is a great tool to help you design your website. WordPress, on the other hand, is a great open source website and blog builder and creator. So designing your website in Figma and importing it to create an actual website in WordPress is a great pipeline, and I'll show you how to do so. So here I am on my Figma dashboard or main page. Here I have my recently viewed or my sites that I recently viewed or tried to edit. So what you want to do is to open like a website that you created or you imported. So if I click on it here, it'll load up the website in the editor, and here is the website itself. I can click on any element to move it, to edit it, and here on the right you have like the main settings or preferences for each element here, and you have the design, and you have also the prototype, so you can get the prototype settings here for this design. So this design here, I can double click to edit the text. So text replacement, for example. Okay, so you get the idea. You can edit any text or any element, any button here on the website. And here you have this is the cover page. And if I click here on high fidelity, I can view all the pages in my website. So this is the landing page. This is the registration, dashboard, about me, information, course, waste, and product. So here are the main pages. I can click on any page here. If I get to landing page, it shows me here, and I can click on it here. Okay, I'm sorry, I can click on the eye here, view it, to cancel it and or lock it. So this is the way to edit any Figma design that you designed. However, if you haven't designed anything on Figma, you can import a ready-made designs from the community. So let's go back here. Now what I want to do is to click here on explore community, and here I'm in the community. I can search for anything. I can view free or paid ready-made templates. Again, inspiration, team syncs, design systems, visual assets, development, wireframe, mobile, web, accessibility, and icons. So you can search here, or you can publish your own work if you want to. If I scroll down here, I can view like many templates that are made by the community and for the community. So that means I can use them to edit them as I want to. So let's scroll down, for example, to find a template that I like. Okay, let's say I like this one. Let's click on it. So this is the iPhone contact poster designer. So created by these two guys, Marcel and Nicholas. So I can scroll here to view the design if I want to. So if I like it and I decide to use it, I can click here to open in Figma, or I can save it to view it later. So let's click on open in Figma. Okay, now the template is opened, and you can view here the different pages. So here I have accessories, I have your poster frame with the many views, I have Memoji, I have changed cover image, I have how to set, I have get every component, and here are the main pages. I can click on any page to view the elements. So let's click here on this page, for example. Okay, it gets me to another template that I can use, which is the lab kit. I can open it in Figma to edit it as well. However, I do not want to do so right now. So let's close it and go back to where we were. So here is the website. I can make my edits here to edit the template, the items that I want. As I told you, I can click on any element to view it. I can click on the pages to set them. Okay, now let's say I'm ready to export this design to WordPress. To do so, I need a plugin. So here I can click on the main menu and I can scroll down to plugins, click on manage plugins, and in the search here, I search for Figma to WordPress. Okay, hit enter. And here you have many plugins to import to many platforms, such as to HTML, Android, iOS, and so on. And this is the plugin that you want, Figma to WordPress by Yotako. Let's click here on it, click on run. Okay, here the plugin pop-up is loaded. It asks me to enter my email to start, so I'll enter my email and click on start now. Okay, enter your Figma URL. So we need you to share your design with us, so we won't share it. So here, how to share your Figma URL. So here I can add my Figma URL here, your Figma file URL. And if I scroll down, it gives me the instructions. So I click here on share, and then here anyone with the link, and then make sure that anyone with the link so that anyone can view it, and then copy, click on copy link here. Okay, copy to clipboard, and then paste the link here and click on create your website. Okay, and in this pop-up, you'll need to click here to add framed as your main page. If I click to select here an item, so I'll click here. Okay, the main page is the accessories. I can select any page I want. Okay, for the sake of this video, let's select the accessories here. I can add another page as my main page. So for now, let's click on continue. Okay, use the Yotako. Okay, here the AI assistant. Let's maybe some other time. Now you need to select the view, so like for desktop, tablet, or mobile. I'll select desktop, the WordPress elements. You can here select elements for this viewport. So like header, you can add a header, a footer, posts block, and forms here, the web elements. So here if I click on header, for example, I can click here to add a header. Okay, now let's go back. Okay, it all seems good. Let's click continue. Okay, now it warns me that there are missing WordPress elements. You can go back to select the elements, or I can continue without selecting. So let's click on it. And now here it's a summary. So the number of pages, 1, the main page, and no elements selected. And now let's click on continue. Now the Yotako will be creating my design and make it ready for WordPress here. And once it finishes, you can view here the website that it's created in your WordPress account, and you can edit it and then publish it as you want.